In this video, Wander Sapiens will take you to Aurora Village, a family-run property in the snowy little town of Ivalo. Ivalo town, which gets its name from the river Ivalo, is situated in the Lapland region of northern Finland. It is very close to Lake Inari, one of the biggest lakes in Finland, and next to Saariselkä, a popular winter resort famous for winter sports. We flew in from Helsinki, the capital of Finland, on the national airline Finnair. Ivalo Airport is a small airport and the temperature in April was 0 degrees. The airport is approximately 10 kilometers away from the main town of Ivalo, and Aurora Village is another 3 kilometers from the town. There are a lot of taxis and few public transportation options available here, but we used the van pickup, which was available for a small additional fee. Arriving at the reception, we were greeted with ice thrones and ice sculptures. Various winter activities are available in Aurora Village, like husky safaris, snowmobile rides, reindeer sleighs, snowshoeing, and if you're adventurous enough, you can try pulling your partner through the snow. After checking in at the reception and a detailed explanation of the facilities, we walked towards our Glass Igloo. The Lapland region of Finland is in the Arctic Circle, which is famous for viewing northern lights or Aurora Borealis. These glass-roofed aurora cabins or glass igloos are perfect for watching northern lights. Although they look small, these cabins are well equipped with all essential amenities and custom made for an all-night aurora hunt. Our booking included breakfast and dinner at their spacious restaurant. We decided to grab a quick lunch before we walked to the town of Ivalo. The frozen river Ivalo, which we saw from the flight, is overrun with tire tracks from snowmobiles. Let us take a walk on the frozen river. When returning from the town of Ivalo, there is a point next to Hotel Ivalo where we can cross the frozen river. Just after the river crossing, there is a cute little sauna where you can dip in the ice cold water of the river through a hole in the ice and rush to the hot steamy sauna up the steps. Soon it was evening and time to get back to have our dinner. The dinner is a delicious 3-course meal which otherwise costs around 53 euros. The food is excellent and the ambience of the restaurant is amazing. Walking back to the cabin through the snow and aesthetically placed lights is an ethereal experience. Between the food and this, we kind of forgot for a minute that we were there to see the Aurora Borealis. Apologies for not having video footage of the night sky. GoPros are not good for capturing northern lights. We were fortunate enough to see the northern lights across the whole sky for a few hours. To be fair, these images are color corrected and what we saw with our eyes was mostly greyish. Early next morning there was snowfall and the glasses were covered with snow and water. The cabin has this glass heater which can quickly get rid of the snow and conveniently clear the glass. There is a fenced reindeer pen in the middle of the property with all the Aurora cabins situated around this area. Lapland is native place of Santa Claus, or so they claim, and apparently there are more reindeers here than people. Across the property is this Viking camping place, which could be fun if you visit as a group for some campfire action. There's a small river next to the reception area where visitors can go for rafting and canoeing in summer. It is all frozen up now, but there are various walking paths which go across the frozen river. There's a drum-shaped sauna across there which can be booked from the reception. The day went fast with us being lazy in the cozy cabin for most of the time, and it was already time for dinner. During The ambience of the restaurant as well as the walking paths to the cabin are something worth experiencing. Let us just say you will definitely enjoy this feeling which was beyond words for us. And just like that, 2 days flew by. A night stay in Aurora Village, including dinner and breakfast, would cost you around 170 euros. Thank you Lapland and Aurora Village for these beautiful memories.